In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive shortcut from File Explorer. If you want a cleaner File Explorer sidebar and you no longer need the OneDrive shortcut showing there, this process can help. We'll be using the Windows registry, so it's important to follow along carefully and make only the change shown in this tutorial. The good news is that the edit itself is very small and only takes a moment once you find the correct entry. To begin, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog, which is a quick way to launch built-in Windows tools without clicking through menus. In the Run box, type regedit, then press Enter. If Windows asks for permission through user account control, go ahead and allow it so the registry editor can open. This is the tool that stores many advanced Windows settings, so take your time here. Once Registry Editor is open, navigate to HKey classes or root. You can do that by expanding the folders in the left-hand panel until you reach that location. This section contains many system-related entries, and since there are a lot of items here, using search is usually the fastest option. Next, press Ctrl and F together to open the search box. Search for the relevant text so you can quickly find the OneDrive-related entry you need. Depending on your system, it may take a few moments for the search to complete, so just wait for the result to appear. When the correct location opens, look over to the right pane and find the entry named System is pinned to namespace tree. This is the setting that controls whether the OneDrive shortcut appears in the File Explorer navigation pane. Make sure you select the correct item before changing anything. Now double-click that entry. A small edit window will appear. In the Value Data field, change the value to 0. Setting it to 0 tells Windows not to keep that OneDrive shortcut pinned in the File Explorer sidebar. After that, click OK to save the change. Once the value is updated, you can close Registry Editor. If you don't see the shortcut disappear right away, you may need to restart File Explorer or restart your computer so Windows can fully apply the update. After that, the OneDrive shortcut should no longer appear in File Explorer. That's all it takes. This is a simple way to tidy up the navigation pane and remove items you don't use often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.